Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best doghouse door flap is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of owning a doghouse. A well-chosen flap can significantly impact your dog's comfort, security, and the overall lifespan of their house, protecting them from harsh weather while ensuring easy access. In this video, we will explore the top doghouse door flaps on the market, examining their features, durability, and ease of installation to help you find the perfect fit for your canine companion. Number 5. Evergreen Pet Supplies Replacement Flap. This replacement flap is designed for easy installation and is compatible with most PetSafe doors. It's a perfect solution for keeping your pet comfortable and safe. It's made of a strong, flexible, and weather-resistant material. This will keep the elements out while still allowing your pet easy access. This flap is compatible with various PetSafe doors, including the Freedom Aluminum, Plastic, Extreme Weather, Wall Entry Aluminum, and Patio Panel doors. It's a simple solution for a variety of pet doors. Installation is quick and easy, no power tools are needed. Just use a screwdriver to attach it in minutes. It's suitable for small, medium, and large dogs and cats. Give your pet the freedom they deserve with this easy-to-use flap. The flap features a magnetic strip for a secure closure and is built to withstand harsh weather conditions. It's a durable and long-lasting solution for your pet's needs. What we like? It's tough enough to handle harsh weather, installs in minutes, and is a perfect fit for your existing PetSafe door. If you need a durable, easy-to-install replacement that works with your current setup, this is it. It's ideal for pet owners who want a quick and simple solution without sacrificing quality. What people say. The flap is made of very strong, thick plastic which can hold for a long time. This is the second one I ordered and the first lasted over a year without bending. It's in use many times a day by our dogs. Perfect fit. Easy installation if you remove the outside portion of the pet door to install the new flap on a work table. Replacement door was easy enough to install, and was significantly cheaper than the OEM part. Number 4. PetSafe Replacement Flap. It features a magnetic closure and water baffle to keep out the weather and reduce noise. This flap is designed to be environmentally friendly and protect your home. This versatile flap works with many pet doors, including in-wall, sliding glass, and more. It's designed to prevent your pet from getting hurt by hard door panels. Installing it is a simple DIY project. You only need a screwdriver to get it fitted and let your pet enjoy independent access. With a generous 10-1/8x16-7/8 opening and adjustable holes, it's ideal for larger pets. It's designed to perfectly align with your existing pet door. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund or exchange. What we like? This flap is designed to withstand extreme weather and is a breeze to install. The large opening ensures easy access for even the biggest pets. If you're looking for a simple, weatherproof solution for a large dog, this one's for you. What people say. It took me a few minutes to try to get the new one on and having enough hand room, but once I got the first two and it started to go faster. The holes for the screws are kinda small but they fit. Original flap was almost 7 years old, very warped, and letting all kinds of cold air into the building. Even when it was new, there was probably a 2 mm gap on sides, but it did its job well, giving dog access to barn with heated bed whenever he wanted. This flap seemed to be a pinch larger than the one that came with the door. Dog did paw at it a bit before he got through, but after going through once, he was fine. We both like the improved seal. This did not have the same connection holes as the original but was easy to drill right through. The size was exact fit to replace the original. Number 3. Ferplast Dogvilla 70 Kennel Door. This transparent door is a perfect accessory for your Ferplast Dogvilla 70 outdoor dog kennel. It offers great protection from harsh weather conditions. It's made of durable, non-toxic PVC, shielding your furry friend from rain, wind, and cold. Keep them safe and comfortable, no matter the weather. Installation is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary screws and pre-drilled holes for a quick and secure fit. This door provides added privacy for your pet, creating a more secure and comfortable space for them to relax and rest. Designed specifically for the Ferplast Dogvilla 70 kennel, It's the ideal size at 19.5 centimeters wide and 30.3 centimeters high, ensuring a snug and secure fit. While this is for the Dogvilla 70, this practical door is available in various sizes to fit other Ferplast thermoplastic kennels. Find the perfect fit for your dog's home. What we like. See your pet from outside, while keeping them safe and warm. It's specifically designed for the Dogvilla 70 kennel and provides excellent protection from the elements. If you own a Dogvilla 70 and want to upgrade your pet's comfort and protection, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Used it as an insert to a sliding door cat flap made by a friend. Very easy to fit and works a treat. Had it for a year now and still as good as when it was new. Used by my cat many times every day. Salvo lo complicado de encajar los tornillos, por la posición intrincada, cumple con su cometido, por el precio mucho mejor comprarla que fabricarla cortando el material y complicarse la vida. Estoy seguro que favorice el mantener una temperatura más estable en el interior de la caseta y el paso del viento y salpicaduras de agua. Contento y satisfecho. Looks to be a quality product just like the doghouse, but be careful and read it all and measure and convert. Number 2. Evergreen Pet Supplies XL Dog Door Flap. This extra-large flap is perfect for bigger dogs, providing easy access in and out. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing pet door. It's tough enough to handle any weather. The weather-resistant seal and reinforced bottom keep out wind, dirt, and other elements. Installation is a snap. It comes with pre-drilled holes for easy alignment and is compatible with Ideal Pet Products Rough Weather Dog Door Model DSRWXL. This replacement flap is a convenient and affordable solution. You get great performance without the cost of replacing the entire door. Designed for larger pets up to 90 pounds, this flap provides a comfortable and safe way for your pet to come and go. It measures 9.75 by 17 inches. What we like. This extra-large flap is perfect for larger breeds, offering superior weather protection. It's designed to fit the ideal rough weather door, making installation a snap. If you have a big dog and need a heavy-duty, weatherproof replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Used to buy these on a different site, but the price has doubled, so this was a comparable deal with better price. Difficult to find the correct size with correct number of holes on the top to attach it. Happy with purchase. Flap is made of what looks like quality materials. We will see how they hold up, but at least at this price I could afford to replace more often. Shipped quick, and we needed it. Sturdy material. Installation is a 5-minute job, and half that time will be finding a screwdriver. Very easy. Number 1. Trixie Vinyl Dog Door Flap. This clear vinyl flap is designed to keep your pet warm and dry. It's perfect for protecting your furry friend from the elements. It shields your canine companion from wind, rain, and cold. It's a simple way to make their dog house more comfortable. This replacement flap measures 13 by 17.3 inches. Make sure to measure your dog house opening before ordering to ensure a proper fit. Installation is a breeze. It easily attaches to the inside of your wooden dog house door frame. All necessary hardware is included. It helps keep your dog's house warm, dry, and draft-free. Your pet will appreciate the extra comfort. Remember, it's made of plastic and isn't chew-proof. Regularly check it, especially if your dog likes to chew. What we like. This clear vinyl flap offers great visibility and protection from the elements. It's a perfect fit for Trixie dog houses and is easy to install. If you have a Trixie dog house and want a simple, effective way to keep your pet warm and dry, this is a great option. What people say. The split in this door makes it easier for them to go in and out. Strong enough to not tear up when my dog goes in and out. Stays in place. It was also easy to trim with a scissors. The hole I cut in my door was sized a little bit smaller. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.